Our thesis title is Self-Regulated Learning Strategies and Students' Readiness for E-Learning Amidst Pandemic. Learning as a process has massively changed over the last decades. Self-regulated learning has a big role in digital world, and this century is starting to live with technology. Self-regulated learning is an active, constructive process whereby learners set goals for their learning and attempt to monitor, regulate, and control their cognition, motivation, and behavior, guided and constrained by their goals and contextual features on the environment. The next paragraph will show the problem of our dependent variable, which is the student's readiness for e-learning. We have here an example of Indonesia facing the problem of students readiness for e-learning. This study aims to determine which domain of self-regulated learning strategies significantly influence the students' readiness for e-learning amidst pandemic. Specifically, this seeks to answer the following problems. First, what is the level of self-regulated learning strategies in terms of the following domains? So these are the domains. Number 2, what is the level of students' readiness for e-learning amidst pandemic in terms of these following domains? Number 3, is there a significant relationship between the self-regulated learning strategies and students' readiness for e-learning amidst pandemic? Number 4, is there a domain of self-regulated learning strategies that significantly influences the student's readiness for e-learning amidst pandemic? Self-regulation is the ability to control one's own energy states, emotions, behavior, and attention in socially acceptable ways that aid in the achievement of desirable goals such as sustaining good relationships, learning, and overall well-being. So readiness, which is extremely important in the education instruction process, is a significant input for the learning teaching system. This study is anchored on the Watson's behaviorist theory. Change in behavior of the learners is based on the readiness of the students. Conceptual framework of the study showing the relationship of self-regulated learning strategies and students' readiness for e-learning. So, the researcher will conduct this study since online learning is altering the face of education. This study helps to gather information regarding the self-regulated learning strategies and students' readiness for e-learning of BS Ed students. Moreover, it is important to consider this research since through this, administrators, teachers, and students may promote strategies, programs, and advocacies. So this research study utilized a quantitative, non-experimental, descriptive correlational design. So the numbers of target respondents of this research are 102 learners who are officially enrolled in the school year 2021-2022 at the School of Holy Cross of Davao College taking the course of BS Ed third-year student. The study will be using adopted and modified questionnaire. The following statistical tool will be employed to analyze data collected: mean, Pearson product moment correlational coefficient, and a linear regression analysis. So this will be our guided questionnaire for self-regulated learning strategies, and this is for students' readiness for e-learning amidst pandemic. And the next slides will show you the references, and that could be all. Thank you.